What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Right now we have a wireless microphone, but this is a lavalier mic, and let's go ahead and just open this thing. I'm not really trying to go too expensive with this. I know people say, oh, if you pay more you get quality, but that's not all the time. And it's simple. What you do is you hook this part to your camera right here, and I think all this stuff is rechargeable since it's wireless, of course. And you clip this on to your hip of your pants, and you clip this part right here to your shirt. Now if you want this hidden, of course you put it under your shirt. And we are going to let this charge, and y'all will see this in action. This is long enough. Okay, just making sure on that. So it comes with the old charger, the old style, the USB-C. I think this is C. I think the new ones is type C. Not too sure about the charger names. I'll get back with y'all with the review. I will be doing this outside, so see y'all soon. Okay, you guys, so we are outside. Now the name of the brand of this one is called UHF, wireless lavalier headset. They don't have their brand name on here, so you could put your brand name on your box. And I got this one from Amazon, and we are going to test it. These are budget lavalier mics, so don't get upset if, you know, oh, the mic blah blah blah. It's a budget mic, so it might break, might not be the best quality. But for me, I think it's, I don't even know, 30 bucks. I'll post the price. I forget. Okay, you guys, so I did a recording of this earlier and it didn't record, and the reason why is because I just plugged in this part to the DSLR, which is a no-no. So this is just for your headphone jack, so you could plug this directly to your iPhone or your Android. Not really directly, because you need the adapter to hook it up, you know, the lightning to the 3.5 millimeter adapter, your headphone adapter. And the same thing with the Android, you need the USB type C to the 3.5 millimeter adapter. Now in here they have the, what they call it, the TRRS to TRS adapter. So that's what this adapter is. So you plug this in and it goes directly to your DSLR. They have it right here in the instructions, just in case you get frustrated, you know, for people that don't read instructions. I got your back. We have the receiver here, which goes on to the DSLR, and then we have the transmitter, which is here in my pocket. So the transmitter is right here. It has a clip. This 3 grids right here is the battery indicator. So 3 grids means full battery. 2 grids is 75% of power. 1 grid is 50% of power. And then if you have 3 grids that are flashing, then the power is 25%. So right here, if you use U08, that is the volume of the transmitter, and then C is the frequency. So we are going to leave the volume and frequency on whatever it has right here. You could put it on whatever setting you want to put it on to, you know, whatever you're doing to satisfy your video. But I'm gonna leave it on the setting that it is right now, because I don't have time to go over every single setting to find out the perfect sound right now. So I'm just going to go over the stock sound on it. 2 hours of charge or a full battery will give you 5 to 6 hours of working time. All right, let's hook this bad boy up. Okay, you guys, so I am back at the camera again. I bet you can't guess how many takes I did for this video. At least 5 to 6. I am tired of walking. It's like, no. So what I did was I put this like this, and I have that gap right there. So you see this gap? Okay, you see that gap, right? So I didn't have it in all the way. So I will have to do the distance test again. Let's plug y'all in. Okay, so matter of fact, let me double check to make sure. All right, let me put y'all in. All right, so hopefully the mic is on. Hopefully the receiver is connected properly. And hopefully the transmitter, like I said, is on properly. All right. So the downfall with this is, for right now, what I see, I can't see my LCD screen. I know I'm supposed to look at the lens, but I like looking at the LCD screen. So if you the type that record and you like looking at your LCD screen, this receiver is definitely in your way. So I can't even see myself right now. But I don't need to see myself because I'm doing a distance test, right? So right now I am 8 foot away, okay? All the way back there to my garden is 60 foot for where I stopped the measuring tape. So right now, up. Boy, speech impediment. All right, so right now I am 20 foot away. I'm talking to y'all while I'm walking backwards. Maybe all my neighbors may be looking at me, but they always look at me because I do videos all the time back here. Okay, I am 38 foot away, seeing the birds eat from the bird feeder. I am 50 foot away right now talking to y'all and doing the video while I'm talking to y'all. Right now I am 54 foot, 57 foot. And I am 60 foot with my Japanese trees right now. They're looking pretty good. I see no problems with my Japanese trees. I got a lot of algae in this fountain. I have to try to eliminate that algae. The backyard looking okay. Walking back to y'all right now. Wish I could cut the grass. I am not the type to cut the grass while it's wet. So that's just me, but you can't cut the grass while it's wet. Anyways, I'm 20 foot away right now, 12 foot away, 8 foot away, and 4 foot away. So if there was any interruption in this video, I just let you know right now, halfway of my yard from the garden, because I'm in the angle right now, is 30 foot, and all the way to where I was at is the 60 foot mark. So y'all let me know how y'all like the quality of the distance and the quality of the sound, and then I will let y'all know how I like the distance and the sound